some WD-40. Yeah. Although graphite would probably be better. Well, yes, we walk from the fence back, but not this fence usually. But that's okay. If you're ready to walk, that's fine with me. Amy, you're such a good girl. No, not unless I say so. Working trot. Working trot. Working trot. There's a good boy. That's a boy. Here's the fence line. Now walk. You are quite a young man. Yes, you are. To be over here admiring your brother. Keep him up in the wind. Nope, Connie's given up on the pole standing up. Too much wind. It's okay. Yes, you're a green tree red horse, you are. We're going to turn around and go back to the barn, sweetie. Come on, you can make that turn. I know you can. I know you don't want to, but you can. Good boy. I'd rather not run through the tree first. Okay, there are tree stumps all over the place out here, buddy. Come on. Yeah, you can't get your head down, can you? Neener, neener, neener. Oh dear. There's something killing a lot of the pine trees around here. It's just breaking our hearts. Someone tried to tell me it was lack of water. It's like, well, our neighbors have trees dying in the middle of their tree line that's on a drip system. So I don't think that's it. Look what a good boy you are. I have a feeling the dogs have been trying to run up the wood stack because it's tumbled on one end. More nose checks. The only one I haven't seen is Jet. Walk on. No. No. No, you're not unhitched yet. So I'll have to take a walk out and visit Jet. Look what a good boy you are. Yeah, it kind of sucks not being able to get your head down to the ground, doesn't it? That's the way it goes. No, you have to come over here. We need to go through the barn door right in the middle. And then you're going to whoa right here. What a good, good boy. Buster, you get an A+ for today.